Hi, this is Valerie. The standards that I'm going to be covering for the EDSU 530 class is High School Standards 1.1 and EL Standards 9-10.1 and 9-10.3. The strategy that I plan on using is the KWL strategy. And let's begin. Good morning, mathematicians. Please get out your notebooks. Does anybody know what GCF stands for? It's the greatest or largest number that divides evenly into two numbers or factors. Does anyone know what the G stands for? Greatest. Great. Good job. What about the C? Anybody? Common. Nice. What about F? Factor. Good job. Good job. I'm going to pass out your KWL charts and we're going to brainstorm a little bit about this concept. Can someone read to me what the first column says? What I know. So what do you guys know about GCF? Greatest common factor. Every number factors into itself and 1. Perfect. So first let's try 17 and 23. We know that 1's a factor and we know that 17 is a factor. For 23 we know that 1 is a factor and 23 is a factor. Great job. So our greatest common factor for these two numbers would be the number 1. Does anybody else know anything else about GCF? Yes, you have to factor numbers out to find the greatest common. Some of you are looking a little confused. Let's go over this one. Let's start with 12 and 8. Anybody know the factors of 12? Good. 1 is a factor. 2, 3, 4. How about 5? No, 5 is not a factor. 6 and 12. Okay, let's factor out 8. 1, 2, 3. No. How about 4? And 8. So what do these numbers have in common? What do their factors have in common? Their each common factor is 4. So their GCF of this number would be 4. I want you to get out your whiteboards and get into groups. And let's try this one by ourselves. 45 and 54. I'll give you a couple minutes to get that one done and we'll go and visit it. So we're going over on our KWL chart the what I want to know. This information is information that we need to know. All right, are we done? Let's factor out 45. 1, 3, anybody else? 5, 9, 15. Any other numbers? 45, good job. How about 54? What are our factors of 54? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. Keep going. 18, 27, and 54. So what is our greatest common factor of these? Of 45 and 54? 9. Correct. Let's talk about what we've learned here. I'm going to pass out a sheet and we're going to go over it together as a group. All right, thank you guys for hanging out.